Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to block text messages on Itel phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone call icon right here. Click on your phone call icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply head over to your phone setting icon. Call setting icon right here. Click on that. It's secure right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on blocked numbers. That's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on add a number. Then simply enter the particular number you would like to block receiving text messages from them. Then after you enter the number, next thing you need to do is to simply click on block. And you are going to see the number right here. So it's as simple as that. So each time this particular number is sending you text messages, it's going to be blocked. And with that, you have enabled how to block text messages on Itel phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.